is. And she starts trading her baby toys for boys. When that one shy little sleepyhead learns about love and its lilt, you can bet that the change is more than from cotton to silk. If a miss wants to be kissed instead of cuddled, and to this you are in doubt as what to say, when a girl changes from